Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Nike SB Heritage Vulc on the market, the Nike SB Heritage Vulc men's shoes, model CD5010, in the classic black and white colorway. Right from the start, these shoes bring a perfect blend of vintage style and modern performance. The design takes inspiration from the old-school skate shoes, combining suede and canvas materials to give you that authentic skate look and feel. The suede is soft with a shrunken texture that adds to the shoe's premium appeal, while the canvas sections help keep the shoe breathable and lightweight. One of the standout features is the vulcanized construction. This technique not only gives the shoe a worn-in feel right out of the box, but also contributes to its flexibility and board feel, which skateboarders will truly appreciate. The outsole is crafted from gum rubber with a herringbone pattern, providing excellent grip and traction for confident skating or just casual wear. Comfort is clearly a priority here. The insole features revised foam cushioning that offers improved support and impact absorption. You'll also notice visible foam padding on the tongue, which not only enhances comfort but also adds that vintage skate vibe that makes these shoes instantly recognizable. The overall profile of the sole is thoughtfully designed to be thinner in certain areas, creating a light and broken-in sensation from day one. This means you don't have to break in these shoes the hard way. They feel great right away, whether you're skating or just out and about. With a lace-up closure, these shoes provide a secure and adjustable fit, keeping your foot locked in place during those intense moments. And while these shoes are water-resistant, they're not fully waterproof, so they can handle a bit of dampness but are best kept dry for longevity. The Nike SB Heritage Vulc men's shoes weigh just over 2 pounds, making them sturdy yet manageable for all-day wear. Their classic black and white colorway ensures they'll easily match with a variety of outfits, blending style with functionality. In summary, the Nike SB Heritage Vulc is a fantastic option if you're looking for a skate shoe that respects the heritage of the sport while delivering modern comfort and performance. Whether you're a skater needing reliable board feel or just someone wanting a stylish, durable sneaker, these shoes have you covered. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest and greatest products. See you next time.